belong to you.
I belong to
you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kiss. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig. If you want to know more details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Jessie'S Wig. I have installed a 5x5 crystal lace double drawn deep wave wet wavy wig. It's kind of a mouthful, but that's what I have installed, you guys. It is 180% density and she is gorgeous.
When I need some loving, baby.
So I think that's enough plucking for now. Look at that lace. Can't see that lace. Where is that lace, you guys? I don't know. Do you know? Tell me. Let me know. So this is the transparent lace. That's the difference. So just imagine. So that's the difference with the clear lace and the transparent lace.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
I probably could have put the wig a little bit closer down, but whatever. Because I have a big forehead today, which is my true forehead. Just cleaning up the extra hairspray that I have there. I'm using this foaming lotion. I really like this. It's almost like my new favorite product for my curly wigs. Okay, so one of the last things that we need to do is just kind of define the part, and then we are ready to go. Pretty much use anything you want, like any eyeshadow palette or powder. I just like to do the really light colors because it really shows up well. Doesn't need to be perfect because you're gonna go in and fix it anyway. I'm gonna clean up the extra. So it is double drawn, you guys, and she is full. I was actually going to install this wig totally like glueless fresh out of the box, but the hairline was looking a little full. It is pre-plucked, but for me with the knots there, I was just like, no, we want this wig to look super, you know, realistic with this crystal lace. I knew I wanted to show some of the hairline, so ultimately I did decide to bleach the knots. So I took it off and then I bleached the knots really quickly. I usually let the wig sit for a lot longer. It was a pretty light bleach session. It wasn't on the wig for too long. I definitely recommend plucking her because there's definitely a lot of hair on the closure. Double drawn, it just means that the hair is thick from the root to the ends. Double the amount of hair on the tracks, so it's not thin towards the end, kind of going out as you look towards the end of it. Beautiful 14-inch curly. It's super full. I will try to show you guys it a little bit more dry before we go. So the 5x5 parting space is a huge parting space. It goes from here to here. You could actually get away with not even having any baby hairs because where the lace actually starts is really not that bad. Like some of them are like really chunky there and you can see it and you have to put a ton of baby hairs. I just covered it up a little bit. I was really impressed with that right off the bat, but I do have to mention it did have a bit of a smell when I wet the hair at first. That was taken care of after we rinsed her out. This crystal lace is so beautiful. It just looks super realistic on your skin. That lace is just gonna melt into your skin. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it quickly with my blow dryer and then come back and show you guys how it looks dry, like not as wet, and then we're gonna close out the video. As I mentioned, I wanted to show you guys how it looked dried, and I told you that the hair was kind of like going out this way. Now you can see what I really mean. It's so pretty, so flattering. I just really love it. I love the density, I love the cut. Really soft too. The hair feels really nice. Look at the curls. The wig is so beautiful. Such healthy hair. So impressed. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Say it, this wig is most definitely Caviar Kes approved. It is absolutely stunning. I definitely think you guys should check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. There's a coupon code that's gonna be there too, so if you wanna grab this wig, you can do so, save some money. If you made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do on my channel. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.